Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nurul Aina Bajisha Betiraslain. I'm from RS 1201F. Today, I would like to tell you about salt. So, salt is a mineral substance that is very close to human life. Almost all people need salty taste in food preparation every day, except those who have health problems and so on. Okay then. Salt can actually be divided into two. First, table salt and second, rock salt. Most of the salt produced will be used as table salt and served as a food flavoring. Most salt is produced from salt mines in several countries in the world. The process of taking this salt varies from traditional to large-scale commercial methods. Extracting salt from seawater is the oldest traditional method done by humans. However, I found that lately salt has also been processed and used in the medical industry. For example, the salt that is sold in the market is a type of salt that is used for the purpose of offering an excessive chemical composition in the patient's body. Salt is also able to use as a trading material around the world. This is because salt nowadays is an essential ingredient whether it is used in the field of medicine, agriculture, or in the field of food manufacturing. And then, most of us in Malaysia only know pure white table salt. Actually, salt has many colors, shapes, and textures depending on its source. For example, potassium dichromate salt is a type of orange-colored salt, where it is used as a pigment. Manganese dioxide salt is a black type of salt. Next is the salt that has a bright and clear color transfer. For example, is sodium chloride. Next is the salt that has a bright and clear color transference. For example, is sodium chloride. And sometimes there are salts that are metallic in color and shiny. If you want to know more about the color of salt, the color and name of the material are listed for reference. First, yellow salt is sodium chromate. Yellow color is potassium dichromate. Red color is potassium ferricyanate. Mauve color is cobalt chloride hexahydrate. Purple color is potassium permanganate type salt. Green color is nickel chloride, and white color is sodium chloride or table salt for cooking. There are also colorless salt such as magnesium. You may be a little surprised if I say that all of the types of salt mentioned above, there are 5 different flavors of salt. First, the taste is salty is sodium chloride, and then sweet acetate salt, which is a type of salt that is poisonous, is swallowed. Sour, potassium bitartrate, bitter, magnesium sulfate, and chelate, monosodium glutamate like Ajinomoto flavor syrup. And then the type of salt that comes from a strong acidic source is usually stable and odorless, while the salt formed from a weakly acidic material is more smelly due to the content of acetic acid and ammonium. It's okay for them to discuss many types of salt scientifically as long as there is a supply of salt for us to eat every day. Okay, now you imagine if there was no salty salt sold in the store. It seems that many people are thin because they have no appetite. Therefore, the Ministry of Health often reminds us to reduce salt and sugar in our daily meals. That's all for me. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you. Bye, madam.